Do you often change bags?
Yes, I do. As previously mentioned, I tailor my bag selection to suit the unique demands of different occasions and tasks. Some bags serve as aesthetically pleasing adornments. For my university lectures, I tote a school bag packed with books and study essentials. During extended stays at the university library, I carry a bag holding my lunch and a water bottle to sustain me throughout the day. When socializing with friends, a petite handbag housing my smartphone and earbuds is my go-to choice. The mantra here is, the smaller, the better. Certain special events necessitate a bag capable of accommodating my attire changes, as formal occasions call for appropriate clothing adjustments. I'm aware that celebrities often sport compact bags as fashionable accessories. In my modest perspective, bags can effortlessly straddle the line between ornamental and utilitarian.
Contact Dr. N in England.